Hello, pot delighters. Would you believe if I tell you this is not just bread? Well, watch this video to the end. In the bowl, I'll add lukewarm milk, dry yeast, sugar and salt. I'll mix everything together, cover and let it rest for about 10 minutes for the yeast to prove. After 10 minutes, this is what we are looking for. You see some bubbles on top, which indicates that the yeast is very active. Add in sifted flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. You can also use bread flour, nutmeg, and vanilla flavor. Mix everything to form a dough. Add in melted butter. You can use oil. At this point, you can go in with your hand to make mixing very easy for you. I'll then transfer everything on my working surface and knead the dough for about 20 minutes or until the dough becomes very soft. I'll cover again and allow it to proof for about 1 hour. As we are waiting for the dough to rise, let's prepare our filling. In a pan, add some oil. You can use any oil. Drop in some chopped garlic. Allow the garlic to release some flavor, and then go in with your shredded chicken. You can also use meat. Fry for a few minutes and add some tomato sauce. After that, you can add some grated nutmeg, chopped onions, and bell pepper. And then you can also go in with some plain yogurt. I added about 1 tablespoon. And some spring onion. Allow it to cook for about 3 minutes, and our filling is ready. Now let's check on the dough. The dough has doubled in size. Give that a knock to release the air. And spread it out with a rolling pin. Add the cheese and the filling. Top it up with some grated cheese and roll it out gently. Fold the edges in and keep rolling. Turn it and press it gently to seal it up. Now transfer it into your greased baking pan. cover and let it rise again for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is how it should look like. Let egg wash and bake in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, our loaded bread is ready. In fact, this is a complete meal. So soft and tasty. For the flavor, the kitchen is so good. I wish you could come for a slice, but don't worry, you can follow the recipe and make yours at home. Thanks for staying with me throughout the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple recipes. Bye!